In this quick video, I will give you a quick guide on how to refund on Housecall Pro. So first, you have to go to the Jobs tab in your dashboard. However, if you cannot see it, you can see it probably in the settings. So you have to click that button right there and just wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you will navigate to Jobs, which is right here. And then now what you have to do is click the payment section. However, if you do not have that option, then it is most likely because you do not have the full version of the website. So you have to ensure that you have the full access to all the features of the website before doing this. And if you do have the full access, then you will see the payment section here. And then you will just have to click the payment in question. And now click refund and then enter the amount that you would want to refund. It can be full or partial. Then enter a reason for the refund. And then finally, you can click confirm and then the money will be sent back to the client's original payment method. It usually takes within about 5 to 10 business days and you're all set. Please like and subscribe if this video helped.